Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to screen mirror any Samsung phone One UI 7. If you're using any Samsung phone and now you want to mirror your screen, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just go to search and search for screen mirror. Just search for this one and you'll get this option. Basically, in the latest version of Samsung phone there is no any screen mirror option. It is updated to smart view, so you just have to select this one and then select smart view from here, and here you just have to select the TV or the desktop with which you want to connect. Just select and then it will be connect to other device, and then you can easily mirror your screen. So that's how you can easily use or do screen mirror any Samsung phone One UI 7. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.